So let's look at the code we recently wrote. So we have an if and we have an else block. Okay, so let's enter an age, let's say 27. All right, and let's say that the drinking um, age is 21. Okay, so let's convert that to an integer. Great. So now Python has an if and it has an else. So let's see which one it will execute. Well, it turns out it will execute lines 13 and it will execute line 14. Okay, and the program has now completed. So notice it will either execute this if block, meaning line 13 to line 14, or it will execute this else block, meaning line 17 to line 18. Remember, the else block is when it's false, and the if block is when it's true. So let's try this again. Okay, and let's put 18, and let's say the drinking age is still 21. No, next 21. Okay, so after it determines or computes this condition, which turns out to be false, then it will jump to line 17 and execute it, and then jump to line 18 and execute it. Right? So notice only one of the blocks can ever be executed at any given check of the condition. Right? And that's the good thing about the if-else construct. You know for sure that one of them will be executed, and no two of them can be executed at the same time. Right? That's impossible. It's either line 13 and 14 or line 17 and line 18. Okay, so this is the if-else construct. You see this quite a lot in code, and this construct is not only unique to Python, you find it in other languages, other programming languages. So it's something that you can transfer from one language to the next. So it's important that you understand how it actually works behind the scenes. And that's why Python Tutor is a great tool when you are learning to code, because you get a second look, you get a different look at what your code is actually doing. Okay, so we're going to continue looking at conditionals, decision-based programming in the next video. So stay tuned. I will see you then.